love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you.
We just made it to Oahu. Well, we just landed not too long ago and we're heading to baggage claim right now. We made it to Hawaii. We're I don't know how to pronounce the name of the beach, but we're just right across the road from our Airbnb. It's getting ready to, it'll be ready in like 10 minutes for us. But yeah, we're like, it's right across from the beach, so we're just parked over here. Just we're gonna walk over and check out the beach. Aloha.
Oh yeah. Our Airbnb, and this is literally the cutest ever. We're gonna take you on a little tour. You walk through the door and you have your little couch and your entertainment center, a little chair, but something that's so sweet is she made like a whole little binder of all kinds of stuff to like go and do, places to eat. And then you've got your little kitchen here, and may I say, kitchen goals. Yes. Look at the countertops and the hardware and the tile. It is literally so adorable. Perfect. Got your little sink, and you've got your bathroom here. Again, absolutely adorable. Little shelving and a nice spacious shower. And next, if you walk down this little step here, you've got the bedroom. So quaint little dresser. You've got closet to hang on your stuff on, and the most important part of the whole entire thing, Michael, show them.
Well, this is your thing.
Well, I know it's my thing, but show them. She left chocolates. Now, how freaking sweet is that?
It's really sweet.
All right. So that's our little tour. Now we're gonna go to the beach.
All right, so now we're all checked into our Airbnb. Got everything settled. We are in Hawaii, so you know what that means. First things first. Whoa. Now that's better. All right, well that place behind us right there is where we're staying. So it's literally just right here. So yeah, we're gonna go out to the beach for a little bit, and it's still very warm. What time is it? Like
5:30.
Oh yeah. So all right, we're just gonna go out here for a little bit, and then I don't know. It's got a nice breeze. Should be a good time. Ooh.
It's a little cold.
This is our first time to Hawaii. No, it's not cold. It feels pretty good. Is that a turtle? Okay, it really isn't cold, but it feels really good. And my glasses are first.
What?
I don't know. I was just sad to see.
Freak me out, Michael.
Well, I just watched Shark Week. I'm freaking myself out.
So cool, like when the wave comes up.
I kept seeing a shadow down here, and I was hoping it was like a turtle or something, but it's just a ball of seaweed. Just as Abby says, just chilling. We left the house at 2:30 a.m. Drove to Indianapolis. It got there at like 4:30. We had a 6 a.m. flight. And then we flew to Washington, D.C. and had an about an hour and 20 minute layover. And then a 10-hour flight here. And then got the rental car and then drove all the way up here. And we got a 4-door Jeep, so that's exciting. But yeah, we're just hanging out now. It's been a long day, and it's 6 hours, you know, behind here. So it's like midnight at home or later. So we didn't really get any sleep. So
I think we got like what?
Maybe
2 hours?
Yeah, I think we got 2 hours of sleep. But I'm not really that tired right now. Feels nice just hanging out. But nice golden glow. Well, now we just got some showers and we are going to go to dinner. This place called Seven Brothers. They got burgers, they got fries, they got shakes, and we still haven't named the Jeep yet. Sandy the Jeep. This place is like a half a mile down the road from where we're staying. So I originally saw it on Yelp, and then she had it as a recommended dinner spot. So. All right, our food is here. We got, how do you pronounce it? Something. It's like cowboy burger, but it's a panola or panioli. Look at these fries too. Oh my god. Are they good? These things are monsters. You see this thing out of the actual bun? It's like a mile deep. Wow. That's so good.
You gotta get part of this onion ring in here.
Is it good? Yeah, I know. What'd you think of it?
That was literally probably the best sandwich I've ever had, or burger.
Burger,
I've ever had.
yeah. It was.
No kidding, it was
Yeah.
amazing.
I agree. That was super good. But it's 7:46 and I feel like I'm already ready for bed. But I mean, I don't want to do the math right now, but it's 6 hours later at home, so yeah. But we're gonna head back to the Airbnb. Well, we're getting ready to start the day. We are gonna head to Pearl Harbor and then just some things around Honolulu area, I guess, at first, and then we'll figure out the rest of the day, I guess. We are making a pit stop to get coffee bean. Ready? A little iced coffee, a little regular coffee. And alright, now we're heading back to Pearl Harbor. There's just chickens everywhere. Hold this. There's just like, there's chickens that just go, they're everywhere. I've seen them everywhere. I haven't even heard them make noise yet, so that's kind of funny. We made it to Pearl Harbor, and then the USS Arizona. We put it in our GPS and it took us to the back side of Pearl Harbor, I guess. It was another 30-minute drive, so we went the wrong way and had to turn all the way around and come back. But
we're here.
is That is the Pearl Harbor Memorial for like the USS Arizona that sank.
This anchor right here, that was actually recovered from the USS Arizona that sunk, that's below the memorial.
Well, we were able to get tickets for the 1:30 showing, so we are gonna be back there in 20 minutes, and then we're gonna watch a video. It's gonna recap Pearl Harbor, which we actually watched. We gotta watch it again because we didn't know that that was part of the tour to get over there. I don't actually think we can get on this boat, but
We can walk over there.
yeah. Well, we are going to head over there to the theater and take that ship over there and watch, or go over to the Pearl Harbor, the USS Arizona Memorial.
So we're on the boat and we're gonna go see the USS Arizona.
Memorial.
On that flagpole, you will see a rusty structure. Monument you will see. Now here's the monument itself. This way,
They just
you
said
will
this
see
is
two white
300
keys
yards
right
long.
there. And that's where the California was
Crazy.
sunk.
It was just the tour for us to kind of see like the side kind of up as close as possible that we could to the memorial site.
Took that tour and they had somebody, like our tour guide, he like lived through it. He was just a little kid and I guess he lived right over there on the other side of that bridge.
11 years old on a little farm.
Yeah, feeding pigs when it happened. But he kind of just said a bunch of things that just like kind of like try to put you back in that place and stuff, and just said that watching like all the ships getting bombed and watching like the torpedoes and the missiles and the planes just coming to end. It's kind of crazy. And then said the USS Arizona still leaks 2 to 9 quarts of oil a day, and it still has like 500,000 gallons of oil left still in it that's leaking into the ocean every day.
It's been 77 years.
Yeah, something like that. 1941, but it's pretty crazy. But we're getting ready to leave Pearl Harbor right now, and then I'm not even sure what we're doing. So we're looking for something really quick to eat, and I saw McDonald's on the GPS, so I thought if there was a McDonald's, there'd be other things. Well, I was wrong. There's only a McDonald's, and just like every state, the ice cream machine is down. There's a big sign out front. Sorry for the inconvenience, but ice cream machine's down. I swear, it's just like, I know it's a running meme and a running joke, but it's literally the most accurate thing I've ever seen. So we're whipping through here and getting some Nuka Nuka Kapua Al burgers
Ooh, yum.
and McChickens. And then we're going to the Dole Plantation right now. And
Do a little tour and get a little Dole Whips.
Dole Whips. Oh, and we named the Jeep Lil Kunu.
That's my mainland name. My Hawaiian name is Kunu.
I like it.
Oh, that's cool. So this is a large here, but this is a medium back home. Oh, what's this?
McChicken.
McChicken. We are at the Dole Plantation now, and I think there's a tour we can do and a maze, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do. There's chickens just walking around here. The Pineapple Express.
Now we've been on the we've been on the Polar Express, but never the Pineapple Express.
I like the Pineapple Express movie though. Alright, well, we are in the garden. It's the Dole Plantation right now. So colorful. But yeah, they said it's like a 20-minute wait in line. We're getting ready to do that right now.
Pods aren't visible. Look through the trees with long green
like
leaves.
chocolate.
Those are the cacao trees.
Abby can smell chocolate. I can't.
A variety of other trees border the cacao field, which help this.
Okay, but yeah, we just finished that tour. The train ride. That was a lot of fun. It was
I didn't realize how many different types of like foods and stuff that
come from Hawaii.
that come from like Hawaii and like Dole.
And Dole, yeah.
One thing I didn't know was coffee takes 7 years to like the plants to mature, which that Yeah, I know. That's what I was like.
And they have little white flowers on them when they're about to be ready.
Mm-hmm.
So that's kind of cool. Learning all kinds of things. Now I want to find the little pineapples. I think they're right over here. Oh yeah. Just little baby pineapples. So cute.
This is where SpongeBob gets his housing from.
Yeah, he does. Some more pineapples right there. I think we're gonna go get a treat.
Dole Whips.
All right, so a Dole Whip with pineapple topping. This is like the freshest it could possibly be.
True.
And how's your ice cream?
Really good.
Good. Super good. And sweet.
Later.
We're in Waikiki. Waikiki, sneaky with a side of freaky. Well, we've sprinted down here. We found a spot on the side of the road. It looks sweet.
Looks awesome. Then we're gonna go to Tiki's.
Okay, the vlog camera died, so we're going to the GoPro now. Ran to the car real fast to drop off the camera, and then we're heading to dinner at Tiki's Bar and Tiki's Grill and Bar. All right, we got a famous Mai Tai at Tiki's, and we get to keep the cup. That's the main reason I got it. So didn't really look at the menu before we got here, and nothing really struck my eye. So we ended up getting fish sticks and then barbecued pulled pork. What is it? But this looks really good. Oh my god, look at this shot glass Abby just found.
Look at them though. They're like all kinds of different drinks.
Oh, cool. Hawaiian zombie. We just finished dinner and we're heading back to Airbnb for the night. It's pretty productive day. I mean, we got two big things done that we're gonna do that took a little longer than expected, so I guess it's good that we did those today. Yeah, we did Pearl Harbor and the Dole Plantation, which was cool. So, yep, we're heading back to Airbnb now. That'll be it for today.